Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am really excited because I'm going to be doing an unboxing and reveal of my newest handbag from Louis Vuitton. So I ordered this about a month ago now, and I just went to pick it up in Toronto when I was told that it was ready. So I'm really excited to be sharing it with you today, and yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so it comes in this giant LV box, and I already opened this, so I did my best putting the ribbon back on, but that's why it's kind of funky. But yeah, here's the giant box it comes in, and let me tell you, this thing is so heavy because I was carrying around this bag in the Yorkdale Mall for like 3 hours, and it was seriously heavy, like on my arm. So just okay, so then with this box there is just a little magnet opening, and then it opens up top here, and then inside is the dust bag. So okay, so this is the dust bag. Just, you know, pretty standard. It has some stickers on the back that just say what it is. Yeah, so just open it right up. There we go. There it is. This is my Louis Vuitton World Tour Neverfull in the MM size. So let me just show you up close the stickers that I chose. So I have a little Shiba here. I don't have a Shiba myself, but I think that they're cute, so I just like that sticker because I remember when I think last year of the dog, when they had all the new keychains and all kinds of stuff with this Shiba on it, and I thought it was really cute, so I wanted to get that one. Hotel Fuji. I got this because I am from Japan and I just love it there, and yeah, I just wanted to get a lot of Japan stuff because it's just important to me. I have this little lock here, and this is just like one of their heritage stickers, so it's kind of the old school look. And with this part I just have my name. It just says Naomi in there. And with this you can choose either initials or your full name, and I decided to go with the full name because you really don't get the option to do that too often, especially on a bag like this, so might as well. And I know I'm gonna have this forever, so I don't really care about the resale value. And then my last sticker is this one. This is the Louis Vuitton Tokyo stamp. It's part of the city collection and not the hotels. So yeah, this is just a nice little landscape here with the cherry blossoms and Mount Fuji and everything, and I just thought that was really neat. And so these are the stickers on the front. You can also choose to have some on the back, but personally I didn't really like the layout that the back stickers had because you can't choose the size or the placement. You just pick which stamps you want, and then they're automatically placed in different areas. I didn't really like it. And also I just want this to be a very versatile everyday bag. I am planning to carry this to work every day and on trips. So I want to be able to have the option to keep it kind of plain and then be able to have fun with it too. So then moving on, of course with the Neverfull you also get the pochette. So this is the one that I got. So it has the same stickers that are on the bag. You can't choose which ones go on the pouch. It's just automatically done for you. So again, I have the Shiba, the lock, and the Tokyo, Japan one. And then on the back, the little Hotel Fuji is up there in the corner. And yeah, this is just a regular Neverfull pouch. Has the red interior. The inner label is the black treated leather, as you can see, and so is the handle. So I'm planning on using this for mainly when I travel, to put things like boarding passes, passports, and things that are more flat, because I don't think I want to use this as like a makeup pouch just because, you know, it's so thin. I don't want to wear the zipper out and put stress on it. So yeah, that's the pouch. And then inside the main bag's pouch here, it comes with this little cute booklet, which just says Louis Vuitton My LV World Tour, and it just has like the instructions for caring for it. And it says here that the stickers will patina in their own way because they are painted on. If you know you're rough with it or you rub it against stuff often, it will start to fade and peel or crack, but that kind of gives it like this nice lived-in feel, so I probably won't mind when that eventually happens. But I am going to be trying to keep this very nice so that hopefully they won't wear out anytime soon. But yeah, this is you know, on the crook of my arm and on the shoulder, this is how this looks. And it's nice because when I walk around I can cover up my name like this just kind of naturally, and then I can also, you know, show it too. The one thing about this bag that I noticed when I got it was the alignment of the sides. A lot of people really worry about that and ask about that, so I thought I would just share. On mine, the one side has very good alignment. It's pretty even, but then if you go on the other side, it is not so much. It's kind of crooked. And there's just nothing that you can really do about it because this is a custom bag. It's not like I could go ask for a new one. But it really doesn't bother me that much, and you can't tell on the front of the bag that it's not 100% aligned. So that's not something that I'm gonna like go crazy about. But yeah, as far as the stickers go, they have like a glossy finish. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it's raised a little bit because of the paint. I really like it. I thought it would be more of like a matte sticker, but it adds a little bit more depth to the bag. And I personally have been back and forth on if I wanted to buy a Neverfull. The only thing is I'm not a huge fan of the Damier Ebene or the Azure print. I like them, but I prefer the monogram. But I also wanted to use a Neverfull for an everyday bag that I don't have to worry about so much. And so with the vachetta straps, that was kind of a no from me, because with that you have to take really good care of it, and I don't like the look of super patinaed straps just personally. So when they came out with this with the option for black straps, I had to buy it. So this Neverfull runs for $1,800 US. I think $1,800 US, and the regular Neverfull without the World Tour is $1,400. So there is a $400 price increase for having the stickers on it and the personalization, which turned me off a little bit, but I realized that I really wanted something that was personal to me. Also, the one thing about Neverfulls that I also didn't want to pull the trigger on was because there are just so many fakes out there and so many real Neverfulls also just all over the place, especially in the city that I'm in. So to have one that is this customized and this kind of new and interesting looking definitely helped me with my decision to purchase. I've never seen a My World Tour Neverfull or anything else in their collection thus far, so that kind of makes me happy that I have a super one-of-a-kind bag in a style that is very loved and very popular. So yeah, that is my little unboxing and first impressions of my Neverfull. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more content. Also, please click on the bell icon if you would like to be notified every time I post. I post every week on Tuesdays and Fridays. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!